Hi guys, today my mama is
Repati.
we party in
Paminta.
Paminta in the
You look
and you would
This is paminta.
this is Paminta. It is what like that. It is what like guys.
It looks like bawat.
Yeah.
Paminta.
Naba, mommy did all them my mama put it with super. And I tell my mom, why you put this in super, ma? Tell me.
I don't know.
My mama don't know.
You repack it and put it in supot.
Ah! This is
We are done.
my mama's done. Because let me show you it. It is what like not real, right? But it's us to we eat in soup food. But you see them, you see. And my mommy put some candles. Why, ma? Why you put a candle?
Hindi mo.
Come on, mama.
I-off mo pala di dyan eh.
And bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.